Hi there, it's Carter with Benchmark, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the DWG cleanup command in MSCAD. So once you're in your drawing and you can see everything, you're going to go to the command line and type in audit. Once you've done that, it's going to prompt you to if any errors are found, should it fix it? I'm just going to select yes, so Y and press enter. You can see I found no errors, so we're all good. Then I'm going to use the command DWG_cleanup. If you just use DWG and press enter, it'll come up. It'll then prompt you that the project needs to be saved first before you can do it. You can go over all of your settings here and change anything you might need to. And then once it's all done, it'll come up with this screen and tell you everything that's happened.
That's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed watching, please subscribe. It really helps us out. If you have any other questions, you can feel free to give us a call at 1-888-286-3204, or you can visit our website at bench-mark.ca. Thank you.